Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the subject called professional ethics. From the subject of professional ethics, today we are going to discuss a few topics in the very first unit called human values. I'm Sherine Glory, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMD Engineering College. Let us dive into this today's topic. So, the topic we are going to discuss today is service learning. So what do you mean by this service learning? So service learning, it refers to learning the service policies, procedures, norms, conditions other than technical trade practices. So here they have given the definition like it's a teaching and learning strategy that integrates meaningful community service with instructions and reflections to enrich the learning experience, teach civic responsibility and strengthen the communities. So this is the basic definitions they have given. So I need to learn the service policies, procedures, norms that has been given. So the service learning also includes the characteristics of work, basic requirements, what is about the security of the job, the awareness of the procedures while taking decisions and actions. So when I am ready to learn, when I have aware of these things, so it helps the individuals to interact ethically with the colleagues, to effectively coordinate with other departments. Say for in our college also we have different departments. If I know the service policies, norms, procedures and everything, okay, the basic requirements, it will help me to coordinate ethically with my colleagues in other department, and it ought also to help to interact coordinately with the suppliers as well as the customers in a friendly manner. So this is the main necessity of learning this service learning. So if you see this diagram, it has been given service learning is at the top, isn't it? So volunteerism, internship, community service, field education at the top, service learning, it comprises all. So moving on to differentiating service learning from other forms of educations. So what are the other forms of education? Experiential learning. So the knowledge and skills acquired through life, through experience, through study, which have not been formally attested through any educational and professional certifications. So that is what experiential learning. So this is a very excellent form of learning where we learn through our own study. Okay, so the skills which will be acquired through this will be tremendous. Next thing is internship. So work related learning experience for individuals who wish to develop hands-on work experience in certain occupations. So you are the students who have been advised to take internship in several companies before completing your professional degree. We have been advising you people to take an internship to get an working experience, to get an learn about the foreigners or corporates, what is the culture, how you may get an hands-on experience about the field before going as an actual after your engineering, before joining a company. This internship will help you while studying itself. You can learn many things through this internship when you are taking in some corporates or forums. You get to know what is the cultures, what is the norm, how we have to work, how the system works. Okay, so that is an internship. Next is practicum, the college course that is designed to give students supervised practical applications of previously studied theory. You all have integrated labs, isn't it? So whatever subject, whatever theory topics we have studied, that has been made into practice in a practical section through some programming languages, through some if it is we are CSE, we are doing through programming languages. If it is any other department, electronic devices or ECE department, they might be implementing with microprocessors or IoT. So whatever we studied, we are implementing, or through the practical things we implement, we get to learn. So that is what practicum. And next is civic virtues. What is this civic virtues? The civic virtues are the moral duties and rights as a citizens of village or the country. As a civic, what are the moral duties I have to follow? This is an integral part of society, and as an individual, I have some own duties. I have to vote, I have to volunteer, I have to organize something, I have to pay my taxes, I have to keep my surroundings clean, I should not pollute my environment. These are the individuals civic virtues. So as an individual, I should follow, I should help my, as a citizen, I should have some own ethical standards to follow in a community or an environment. Without understanding of the civic virtue, citizens are like lessly to look beyond their families, friends, and economic interests. So they are less likely to help others in community, to volunteer there. Say for example, if I am not disposing my garbages properly, okay. So that is in one kind of civic virtues. I need to keep my environment. It will definitely affect the others people, isn't it? I as an as a citizens of India, I am eligible to vote above the age of 18. When election comes, I have to vote it and help to choose the right candidate. So these are the some of the civic virtues I have to follow. So so that is all about your civic virtues. So next is your apart from this, we are having this we have civic knowledge. So what is this civic knowledge? Is citizens must understand about the constitutions, how the government works. So if I am not aware of this, I won't be able to work through. I won't be able to follow the civic virtues. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.